The electromechanical parking brake is more proof that Audi stops at nothing when it comes to applying technology in the area of comfort and convenience. The electromechanical parking brake replaces the conventional handbrake lever with an easy-to-use push button. To set your parking brake, pull up on the parking brake switch. Park illuminates on the instrument cluster, and a red bar illuminates on the parking brake switch to let you know the brake is engaged. Now, if the driver's door is opened when the ignition is switched on, the vehicle is stationary, and the transmission is in any gear besides park or neutral, the electromechanical parking brake engages automatically to prevent your vehicle from rolling unintentionally. If your vehicle is in park or neutral, opening the door will not automatically activate the electromechanical parking brake, regardless of the ignition being switched on or off. Now, to release the electromechanical parking brake, turn the ignition on, place your foot on the brake, and push the parking brake switch. There is also a start assist function that releases the electromechanical parking brake automatically when your vehicle is in gear, the driver's door is closed, and the driver's safety belt is fastened. Just press the accelerator and the parking brake is automatically released, allowing the vehicle to begin to move. One of the best functions of Audi's electromechanical parking brake is Hill Start Assist. Once you come to a stop, for example on a hill, at a traffic signal, or in stop-and-go traffic, you can apply the parking brake. Hill Start Assist keeps your vehicle at a standstill should you choose to release the foot brake. The parking brake isn't released until sufficient driving force has been built up at the wheels to prevent your vehicle from rolling back. You may occasionally hear a noise coming from the area of your parking brake when you park your vehicle and turn off the ignition. The electromechanical parking brake goes through a series of test cycles every 620 miles to ensure proper operation continues. Any noises associated with the test are normal and not a cause for concern. The electric parking brake is a significant advancement in parking brake systems, having little in common with a conventional parking brake. It doesn't just help in parking, but due to its intelligent brake design, braking is assured and the required hold is provided for hill starts, showing just another example of how Audi is pushing the boundaries of driver assistance and convenience through technology.